Hey guys, welcome to this new YouTube channel. It is based on centrism. The centrist political ideology is very different from the right political ideology and the left political ideology. To sum it up, let's know what is right political ideology. Rightist political ideology is based on conservatism and they want to preserve their culture. It can be summed up into few words such as conservation of own culture and resistance to the liberalization or immigration from outside of the country. Whereas the leftist political ideology is very different from the rightist political ideology. On the left, the political spectrum, it says that we should be liberal and we should embrace the diversity in our country. Whereas the centrism is totally different from left wing and the right wing, because centrism believes that no political ideology could be perfectly established in a nation because both of them have certain merits and certain demerits. Political ideology sums up the merits of both the political party in it and abandons the demerits of both the political party from it. Hence, I think the best political ideology is centrism, and if it is coupled with nationalism, then I think the best political ideology which can be is centrism. But it is so sad that there are no centrist political party in India. The Indian National Congress is a political party which leans towards left. On the other hand, the BJP is leaning towards the right. Hence, there are some political parties which are centrist in ideology, such as the political party of Kamal Hassan, but they do not have a much stake in the political spectrum of India. Hence, I am starting this YouTube channel to get people aware about the centrist political ideology because it is the future of politics in India.
So please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends and family so that they can also have a knowledge about centrist ideology because it is the future.